Do you use the knee flexion or the leg curl machine at your gym? A lot of people do some classic errors when they use this machine, but we have some tips to help you avoid those. Hey, welcome back to Trainer Tip Tuesday, everybody. This month we are talking about the knee flexion or the leg curl machine. This machine is one of the most commonly used machines in the gym, but it's often one of the most misused machines as well. We have some tips to help you avoid those errors though and get the most out of this exercise that you can.
Today we're going to talk about the starting position of the knee flexion machine. A lot of people don't really think about the starting position, but it's an important step to make sure that this machine is not injuring your knee or forcing your knee past its normal active range. Let me show you how to do it. Not every machine has this, but our machine specifically has this dial here, which allows you to start at a different position. And what I mean by starting at a different position means how high up is your leg being held in the starting position. Now you might think this is like a generic point, but actually it's important to match it to your range of motion. So what you want to do is put your legs up on the pad and make sure that you can straighten your knee and be able to lift off the pad down there just at least by a hair. If you can't straighten your knee and lift your foot at all, you need to lower down the starting position. So that would look something like this. And this will allow you to start in a lower position. This can also be helpful if you notice some cramping when you're doing this exercise.
Make sure to use this tip the next time you use the knee flexion machine to get the most from this exercise and stay safe while doing so.